Hello everyone, and today I'm going to tell you about an important event in my life using the passive past structure by Mariana Valentina Munoz. Okay, um, a long time ago, when I was a little over 10 years old, I was start playing soccer at a sports club locally in Confacauca in the city of Popayán, where I was born, grew up, and still live. Um, I, as time went by, my coach was realized that I had great potential, and in the short time that I had been playing, I began to stand out. I was remembered that at the beginning I was trying every Saturday. As time went by, I was beginning to increase the intensity and began to train 3 times a week. And thanks to the discipline and my sport, and the coach and other coaches from other teams realized of my potential and that I could excel on the field of play. Okay. Um, since then, I was realized that it was what I was wanting to dedicate myself to. I saw professional footballers like Neymar, in which I was made him my idol and my example to follow. And my passion for soccer grew every day, but there came a time when family problems began. Due to the ideas that my father had. Although I always have my unconditional support from my mother and my brother, who continued to support me in my soccer history. My mother was paying me for the training sections and the explains I was need to practice this sport. And I also always had the moral support of my younger brother. Sometime after I was retired from soccer, I had the opportunity to leave Popayán to go play for the Willa team, but due to the family situation that were occurring at that time, and due to my lack of security, I was decided to stay in my city and continue to experience another sport such as volleyball.